Good morning, guys. Good morning, Alexa. Hey, Alexa. Kitchen lights on. Alexa, turn on kitchen light.
Okay.
O, ayan na si Alexa, guys. Ang aking bestie, ang aking BFF. But anyway, guys, meron akong bagong dito. Meron akong cordless handheld vacuum. So, naka-charge na siya all night. So, maganda ito, guys, kasi ito yung ginagamit ko palagi. Napaka-handy nito. Ito yung ginagamit ko palagi pag ako'y vacuum ng mga cat's hair. So, this is from Black and Decker 20 volt vacuum. So, ayan, ready na siya, guys.